I did have an experience yesterday, and I want to share that. Because I've been sober about over 5 years now, I walked into a familiar old setting that reminded me of a crack shack. And it brought me back to old thinking instantly. And it was scary at first, but I'm glad I went through that experience because it shows me just how far I've come along. But at the same time, I gotta honor and respect my feelings at that moment, because I wasn't me at that moment. It was me 10 years ago, and that was an eye-opener, to say the least.